Hey sneakerheads, Sandy from PUSHAS here. Welcome to another episode of Unboxed by PUSHAS. The next sneaker we have is definitely a collector's item. It's one of the sneakers where you have behind glass or you have one to wear and one to display. Coming together, two of the most notable streetwear brands in history, we have the Air Jordan 4 KAWS in grey. Let's take a closer look. Released in early 2017, Brian Donnelly aka KAWS collaborated with the Air Jordan 4. The sneaker is definitely one of the most premium and limited edition sneakers in sneaker history. Compared to all the other Jordan releases, this is definitely one that stands out. We can see in the Air Jordan 4 that it is wrapped tightly with a tonal grey colour suede. Featured on the sneaker, we can see that the sneaker has different tones of greys wrapped around it. It is quite impressive to have that many different textures of suede on the one sneaker. We can also see in the tonal grey colours, it resembles the vinyl figurines that KAWS creates. The quality and wrap of the suede is a whole new level. I've seen other Air Jordan collabs that have wrapped the sneakers in something else and it just wasn't at the quality that these sneakers are at. In the other ones, sometimes you can see a few traces of glue here and there, but with this one, this is wrapped skin tight without a trace of glue or suede in the wrong places. With this Air Jordan 4 collab, it's something that will stick with you visually. As you can see, the iconic KAWS companion logos featured all around the suede panels. This is printed all over the suede and on the sole of the sneakers. We can see the KAWS logo in every single angle, the XX and companion. From behind the shoe, you could see a customized Air Jordan logo with the XX and Air. One really cool feature about the shoe that I really like are the icy soles that are also glow in the dark. It's a real nice touch to it. With the sneakers, you also receive a premium KAWS shoe bag. The price of the Air Jordan 4 KAWS in grey have always been at a high value, starting at about $2,000 to $2,500 depending on your size. This is what I mean by it's definitely a collector's item. It's not every day that you see someone wearing these pair of shoes. I think since they've released, haven't seen anyone wear the greys, but I've seen the black, which sits for a little bit slightly lower than the greys. Ever since the sneakers hit the 2000 mark, I haven't seen the price budge at all. It stayed there and it stayed high. The reason why the sneakers sit at such a high price is because it is such an exclusive and limited sneaker, just like anything KAWS does. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll be back with some more sneaker unboxing soon. Let me know in the comments below whether you think this is a shoe that you would collect in the future or if it's something you already have and have worn. I'd love to know your thoughts below. If you have any sneakers that you would like me to look into, please feel free to DM me on Instagram at Sandy@PUSHAS or leave a comment below. Bye!